So let's talk about fear for a moment. In 2009, many investors missed the beginning of that bull market because they paid attention to the news, and everything in the news was terrible. You had a housing bubble, a falling dollar, our president was telling us we might slip into depression, and the public was actually worried about their money. Is it safe in the bank? The stock market had basically been through a meltdown in late 07 and all of 08. Who wants to step in and buy stock in 09? And that's exactly what they should have done, because in March of 09, we had a follow-through day. The trend had changed and we were now going up. If an investor invests based on how they feel, they will never make progress. We want to buy a stock right and hold it through the entire move and sell it right. What many investors forget is that big moves take time to develop. They don't happen overnight. A lot of investors will make mistakes on the way up because they're fearful. Let's say an investor buys a stock at 50. Then they might sell it when it goes up to 52 because they're fearful that the market will take that 2-point profit back from them. So they sell it when in reality, their instinctive reaction should be back off. Let's give this stock some room. So we have to have stay power, if you will, an ability to hang in there through the ups and downs through the life of the move, because they don't always go straight up every day. Back in 1986, Microsoft comes public. And it was very aggressive, and it would go up 5 points one day, down 4 points, up 6 points, down 3. It wasn't what was typical back in that day, at least to me. And I remember writing it and then it coming in and being scared out a couple of times. You want to consult a chart, because the question before you is this action in my stock normal or abnormal? And a lot of pullbacks and quote shakeouts are very normal behavior for a stock, especially more aggressive stocks. They will have a more aggressive pullback. And many investors get caught in that pullback because they become fearful. Pull up a weekly MarketSmith chart and look to the left a couple of previous years of price and volume action on that stock, and you get kind of a feel in how that stock can act. When you conquer your fear in the market and you are in control of all of your emotions, you will see that your investment results will improve dramatically.